What is going down, guys? Welcome to Northwest Cryptos. We're going to break down Bitcoin, of course, but we're going to first look at MATIC here because MATIC has been on fire. We all know that. Last night, if you're in my VIP chat, my VIP group, you were able to get these alerts beforehand, right? Before I placed this long position at $1.5857, I was able to alert the group. Many people were able to take the trade alongside with me, and I cashed out up here at a 19% profit. Again, I allowed it to consolidate a little bit. Support. We've confirmed support. I bought in. I didn't buy in here. We were starting to fall below the support level. We came back up. We now confirmed support right here. I bought back in, and I sold around right here. 16% profit. Back-to-back trades. Back-to-back trades, guys. So easy trading. The reason why I'm pointing this out is because this is easy trading, guys. There's a lot of room for profit. So these are nice trading levels to trade between, support, resistance. I'm going to be trading it the rest of my day probably. So I'm waiting until this, this trend line, and we can zoom out to, let's go to the 1 hour. So this trend line that we're in, I'm waiting for the opportunity to short right up against this trend line. Let's get these out of here. So right up against here, I am waiting for the opportunity to short somewhere along this when we do break this trend line. Okay, so I would be placing a short, somewhere right here, wherever we break below. And if we reconfirm, right, we got to test to this resistance now. So yeah, I would be interested in putting a short right here. I've been waiting since yesterday to put a short in, actually, and I said that to my group. And in the meantime, I took these trades, these long positions on the way up. So I'm still planning on doing that. If we can get back down to this blue trend line, we get a little bit closer to it, I would love to buy back in, ride this up until we're done with the uptrend here, and then short right here. Lots of opportunity, guys. Lots of opportunity today. So SHIB, we need to pull up SHIB because I'm currently in a short and I need to check back in on it, and I forgot. So let's have a peek, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm doing here. Am I losing? Is it shitting? What's going on? So yeah, I'm up. So I'm up. I'm actually going to take a look at what I'm up. Not much, right? Yeah, but I am up. So I'm up 12%. I don't know if you guys can see that. 12% on KuCoin right now. So yeah, I'll keep this as a good short. Good short so far. Man, beautiful. Beautiful short so far, guys. If we can break this line right here. Oh, baby. Oops. Yeah, if we can come below this the support level, then I would probably even add more right here, because look at this. Look at us just shoot up. Anytime you shoot up like that, it's pretty standard to have some sort of retracement. We need to take a look at Bitcoin, guys. We need to take a look at Bitcoin. Enough making money, right? Enough making money with other coins. Let's get back to Bitcoin. So yeah, we're in a retracement right now. So I'm actually might close my short if we can somewhere down here and kind of bottom out. So I'm up 15%, 14.78% currently, and I just entered this short immediately before starting this video. So perfect timing. So 14.23% now. What was my entry price? That's what we need to look. So my entry price was 914. Okay. So somewhere right here, right? And are we getting a higher low right here? You know, I'm probably going to close my short, quick 14% profit. Why not? So wrong password. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Had to close this short out before we lost my gains. It's all pointless if you can't cash out your profits. I've seen people many times make great gains on their shorts or on their longs, and then they do not cash out. So be very careful when you're doing leverage trading. Okay, so this was a good short opportunity, and I was not paying attention because I was too worried about SHIB. And I don't care about SHIB. But guys, we're going to go ahead and get into Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin is, oh, we're seeing kind of a dip right now, kind of a drop here heavily. So let's go ahead and we need market cipher B out here, guys. We're crashing pretty heavy. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is actually, I mean, this is the 1 minute chart. So it's telling you to buy, right? On the 1 minute chart. I don't see any manipulation X's. So I'm not too concerned about that. Let's get these fibs off here. Let's get these fibs off here, and let's just use market cipher A and B for this. Ugly, guys. So typically, you know, when we get to this area, this is probably a good place to go long. In the short term, we're talking about leverage trading, right? So in the short term, this is probably a good place to go long if you're reading this indicator. So there's some support right here, but if we break it, we're going to go down pretty quickly, I'm assuming. So that's kind of how this works, you know, at least down to this level. So we'll see how this plays out, guys. But when these green dots, yeah, I mean, if we look back, how many green dots above here? We got a green dot here, and it wasn't super significant, but it did. It's the angle, right? But so what these green dots are telling us is the bottom. It's telling us of these bottoms. And they're usually pretty damn accurate, guys. They really are, but not always. So we're still at the same level, right? So yeah, this, like I said, guys, see, this is probably a good spot to buy in if support holds. If support doesn't hold right here, then obviously not a good position, and I would even short. I would then short right here, right? Long. Look at ugly L, guys. What kind of L is it? Jeez. So LS, right? Long, short. Do what you want, guys. Do what you want. But like my video, subscribe. Like my stuff. Do what you want, like my videos. You can do whatever you want. Let me clarify. You can do whatever you want, but subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Okay. So let's take a look at Bitcoin here. And what I wanted to take a look at was the Keltner channel. I've been touching on this the last several days because the Keltner channel is something we have been in or on top of the entire bull run. Oh, goodness. So if you look back over here, we can actually see we were using the bottom of the Keltner channel as support the entire bull run. I do that a lot. I grab these lines a lot more than I want to. Just being so quick. So we have stayed in this Keltner channel. We used the bottom of it as support. We're now using the top of it as freaking resistance again, so that's not good, right? We need to break out above this Keltner channel, or else we're gonna continue moving to the downside, because this is pushing us down. So if we're able to break above this and then use the bottom of the Keltner channel as support, that would be a very bullish indicator. It would be bullish. So yeah, guys, it's well, look at that daily chart, looking a lot better. Looking a lot better from, man, a couple weeks ago, that's for sure. We've gotten these higher lows. Some people are painting this out to be a descending triangle, and some people do believe we're going to be crashing very heavily, right? So always be prepared, set your stop losses, but realistically, if Bitcoin is getting to even 20K, like, I'm buying more, so I'm not too worried about it. I almost hope it goes down so I can get more, right? Because what you guys need to understand is you won't have this opportunity. And that's something Michael Saylor brings up a lot of time. The time is people don't understand the opportunity that we may be presented with right now with Bitcoin and with cryptocurrency. We're being presented with generational wealth, right? That we can pass down to our generations to come. So Bitcoin, guys, we broke out of this deal, and we need to break above this resistance line. We have the Keltner channel line that's up to, I believe it's somewhere around here. So there's a lot of resistance above us. That's all I mean. There's a lot of resistance above us. So we kind of retraced. If you look on the large time frame, so from 64,000 down to 30,000, our So our 618 line is up in the 50s. Yeah, guys, I mean, I think we could definitely go up and retest the 50 level again if we can break past this. We're past the EMA ribbon on this, and that's good because we haven't really been able to do that since up here, since we were at 60K, literally. So that's good that we are kind of on the bullish side of our EMA ribbons. It's looking better, guys. It's looking a lot better today and yesterday than it has. So it's exciting. Let's look at ADA. Oh, I forgot I did this. Let's take a look. Move the fib here. Sorry about that. It's too much mess going on. There we go. So this is kind of a game plan I got for ADA. Okay, so if you're someone that's kind of long-term and looking to accumulate ADA over time, this is an idea of how you can kind of structure your levels here, right? So if I get to these levels, this is how much I buy at that level. So if we get down to the $4 range, 3,000 ADA is what I'm looking to buy. So again, DCA, you can take a picture of this, whatever you'd like, but these are good levels and good amounts at good levels. So if you're looking to accumulate ADA long-term and you're not really a trader, but you don't want to stay flatlined, right? You can either stake it, which staking is awesome. I stake 10,000 ADA currently, and I have some other ADA, but staking is awesome. And if you're going to DCA into this dollar cost average, you don't have to really worry about what your average price is, right? That's the whole benefit of it, is you're not too worried or concerned if price gets to a certain number. You know, it's not really a situation at that point where, oh no, if it gets to $1.20, I have to sell to save some profits or to not lose any money. You know, so the alternative to trading is to DCAs, to dollar cost average, when you buy into cryptocurrencies. And I think it's a great strategy because even though I have a decent amount of Cardano, I would like to get a lot more. So I would like to get at least another 10,000 Cardano. And yeah, guys, this is, I trade and I'm a hybrid, right? I trade and I accumulate and I hodl and I do all of it. And I stake and I do all of it, guys. I'm in every crevice of this cryptocurrency space, right? So literally though, I stake, I do anything I can. I hodl, I trade, I leverage trade. I'm in a leverage trade right now. I closed it. I closed it on this video, thank God. So SHIB, yeah, 27% UOS. Guys, I talk about UOS all the time, guys. Awesome project. Awesome project. Love UOS. Let's look at some new AMC. Hold on. AMC. Wow, that's a lot of fun, guys. I wish I was in here somewhere just to have fun. Have fun with you guys doing this. So, MATIC, again, this trend line. We break this trend line. I'm leaving. I'm putting in a short. I'm going to shorter, kick her to the curb. Adios, amigos. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at some news. Is there any newsworthy Bitcoin headlines? One thing I did see was that Michael Saylor had decided to, spend another $500 billion on Bitcoin or something crazy, or maybe it was million, but so sees oil, don't get Bitcoin, get oil, right? That's what these dudes want you to think, for sure. Bitcoin, why would you get Bitcoin when you can buy oil? So, oh, that's funny. That is funny, guys. So long Bitcoin is no longer the most crowded trade for big money investors. MicroStrategy triples down on investments. I love Michael Saylor, guys. He is a hero that we do not deserve in the Bitcoin industry. Look at his face. Look how goofy he's looking. How are they going to do him like that, man? How are they going to do him like that? Look at his face. His eyes, look, one eye's going a different direction. That's not fair, man. We can't do that to our guy. So Michael Saylor's out here investing into crypto, Bitcoin specifically. I mean, I don't even know if he has